Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically in Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. The solution consists of three steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select accounts. On right side select sign in options. Scroll down under additional settings. You just need to turn off use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. Turn it off, and after that just to close stuff here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. Select startup apps and find Microsoft Edge over here. Just right click on it and disable it. After disabling it, just to close stuff here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type task scheduler. Click on open it. In task scheduler, you just need to select this task scheduler library, and now you can able to see over here in this list. You just need to disable all Microsoft Edge task guys, just by right click on it and select disable it, and after disabling it, just close tab here. After doing these three steps, you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.